Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a device code to Hulu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're logged on to Hulu on your laptop or computer, and you're getting a device code from your television. How do you actually go ahead and add that device code? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Hulu on your laptop or computer. Next, highlight your profile icon in the upper right hand corner and then click on account. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll all the way down and you're going to see this bar here that says add your devices. This is where you'll enter your device code and then click on this icon here in order to enter it. But that right there guys is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your device code to Hulu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.